Yeah, yeah. Welcome to Chevy Attic, yeah, you know the name. Engines roaring loud while we switching every lane. Chrome shining bright, hit a horsepower car, but it's bigger than the cars. It's the family for us all, where the vibes stay real and the energy strong. Hard work every day while we riding along. Peace in the air, positivity in the zone. If you roll with the crew, then you never ride alone. Subscribers ain't viewers, now we call them the fam. Laughing on the live panel, yeah, you know who I am. Real talk.
YouTube, what's up YouTube? This your boy Chevy Addict with another video, y'all. Alright, y'all. Once again, this is Friday. Welcome to all my new subscribers, y'all. I just hit 11K. What the world? I'm like, I was in disbelief when TJ told me about it this morning, man. I was like, what the world? But anyway, y'all, this video is not. This video is about this box right here in front of you. Like once again, man, wherever y'all doing, keep going forward, y'all. Keep growing. Keep the grind going strong, man. And thank all of my new subscribers for coming, y'all. But anyway, y'all, I'm out here this morning doing this unboxing, or this afternoon. Doing this unboxing, but the tools y'all see in front of y'all face is my wire cutters, my crimper for my can't get the words in my mouth, my wire ferrule, my battery, and my knife right here, y'all. So what I'm doing on this video here, I'm gonna unbox this and test this out before I tell you what I'm doing with these right here. So in this video, I'm gonna tell you everything I'm doing. So this right here is unboxing / test. All right. So I'm gonna go ahead and lay my tools and wire to the side. I got this little 16 gauge wire here, OFC the best. You know, I'm gonna go ahead and strip them back now. I'm gonna get myself prepped. Do what I gotta do when I need to do it in, y'all. Hope y'all have a great weekend, y'all. For real, for real. Way looking down here, man, we had some rain. But anyhow, y'all, those who are new to my channel, stay for a little while. Be a mod whenever I go live, y'all. Make sure y'all turn your notification bell on. Subscribe to the channel. Pass the word. And man, oh man, ain't God good, y'all. I'm telling you, I literally went to sleep last night with 10,000 and some subscribers, y'all. And I woke up this morning at 11K when I had my first live. You know what I mean? So shouts out to that, man. Shouts out to whoever doing this, y'all. Keep doing it, man. Keep spreading my word. Positive vibes only, you know what I mean? So yeah, so let's go get this thing started, y'all. So today I'm get my wires stripped down now. Prepping myself to do what I gotta do. So I'm gonna tell you what I'm doing as I go. All right. These wire, this is like this 16 gauge wire right here, OLC, the best, you know that. But I got this box to test. So I've been waiting for this for a little while. Amazon, I bought this on Amazon, like 12 or $21, one of the two, man, I forgot. It's been so long ago, but anyway, y'all, we just getting these wires prepared to do their job, y'all. To do their job. So now y'all finna see what I tell y'all. Get these wire ferrules, man. These wire ferrules save you a lot of time. A lot of extra energy that you don't have to spend. You can get your stuff done right the first time by yourself. So you put your wire crimper in here, wire ferrule in here, and then you twist. Hold for like 5 seconds and let go. See, that wire's already ready. It ain't come out of there, y'all. If you don't trust yourself, go ahead again. Just know that wire ain't going nowhere. See that wire ain't going nowhere. It's in there. It's locked in there. Locked in for the long ride. All right, y'all. So now, let's go ahead and do this unbox. Lay my stuff to the side right here. Do my unboxing. And I'm gonna show you what this is right here. This came from Amazon about $13, $14, $10. Something, I forgot the price it was. It might be in here. So let me see. So I got it off Amazon. I wanted it for one little job, y'all. Y'all know I'm building my music, so you gotta be so do with my music. I'm building this great beat shop from the sea, man. Like I said, I'm taking my time buying small little stuff as I go. And man, oh man, let's get this done, y'all. All right, y'all. No receipts, y'all. So here we go. Here we go. All right, y'all see it. Why do he? Y'all wondering like, why in the world did this man buy radio fans? Why did he buy this for? I'm gonna tell you why I bought this for. I'm doing my bill for my music, and what I'm doing my bill for my music is, y'all, I'm going to go ahead and cut these ends up. I ain't gonna use these ends. So what I'm doing my music, y'all, I'm building. Let me see something. I'm not gonna use these ends, honestly. All right, I ain't gonna use these ends. But what I'm doing my music, y'all, I'm doing these gonna be my amp fans to keep my stuff cool. You know what I mean? So y'all hear my dog, y'all, he wanna get out and play. He been out all morning, y'all. So I'm doing my amp fans. This is what I bought these fans for. I don't mind cutting this off, and you know, I'm gonna run my wire in a way that I'm gonna hide this stuff like this right here down. I'm telling you, when it's all about the vision. The vision that you have for your stuff is you get the vision you will have for your stuff. You respect it. You know what I mean? And people will respect your vision because you're doing it your way, not your way. You're doing it your own. You're doing it your own way, not the person besides you say you can't do something. Besides, you doing your own bill, your own way, and your own speed. I ain't got nothing to prove to nobody, like none of us do. We got nothing to prove to nobody, y'all. I cut that end off already. Stay focused on your goals. You know what I mean? Stay focused on you. Don't worry about nobody else. Worry about your own. This is the way I'm building my stuff for myself. And I guarantee you, it's gonna keep it a lot cooler than those small little fans I used to be buying. I guarantee you. It's all about the vision, y'all. It's all about the vision. That's all it's about. It's all about the vision. Skinny these wires back right. That's about a 12 gauge wire. No, it ain't. It gotta be like a 10. It gotta be like a 10, y'all. My wire cutters got the number on them. And that's about, let me see something. There we go. It's a 12, y'all. That's what this side wire is. It's 12. So here we go. Got them all cut off where I need it. All right, here we go. Now, I'm gonna take my test wire right here. connected to each other on this part here. I'm not gonna tape them up, but I might tape them up, or I might don't. But just know, just put this in the way so it won't touch. All right. All right, that's the owner now. I'm gonna turn this fan upside down and get my battery and put on this fan. Actually, I'm gonna squeeze this down a little bit more. All right, here we go. Y'all can see some move now. Hold on a minute, y'all. Is this battery dead? No, it can't be dead. I might get them on the wrong one. Let's check them out. Let's see. I'm going through all of them. These wires is just so slick. Okay. I'm gonna find out. It says plus right here and minus right here. So there they go, y'all. They work. My bad, y'all. Spooping. So now I see what I did wrong. I ain't had a connection all the way now. So I'm gonna put this plus all the way in, right there on the lip, and have my fan right here. Hold it up like this right here. That's how loud it gonna be in my truck right there, on my stuff. And what I'm feeling right now is gonna keep my stuff real cool, just the way I wanted to go. Just the way I wanted to go, y'all. Real, I want my stuff real cool. So now, we see one work. I'm lay that to the side right here and get my other one and do the same thing to this one here. This thing is real cool, y'all. Very cool. I'm gonna put my black, my blue and blue, which is the hot wire. And my skin these back a little bit. Put my black on the black. Now I'm gonna spray this apart a little bit. I'm gonna tuck this one down this way here so it won't touch. And lay that to the side. I'm gonna put my black wire. My black wire on the minus. Very cool, y'all. You got to feel it in person. It's very cool. Just imagine what. Now you see why we get OLC wire now. If this wire right here was CCA wire, this wire got hot a lot. Will burn your hand up. You know what I mean? That's why we get the best of the best wire, OLC. This wire is OLC, so it's not getting that hot. Watch the fan work, y'all. Ain't loud at all. All right. that's out the way. So I'm gonna show you in my truck how these gonna be back. I mean, how I'm gonna mount these in my truck on my amp board. Give me a minute, I'm gonna cut y'all back off. Cut y'all back on in a minute, y'all. One little far away, y'all. Be right back, y'all. All right, y'all, we back, y'all. If y'all see, my sub amps, right, is going in this spot right here. My sub amp is going right here. My batteries is going right here. My 4-channel amps is going back here. All my 4 channels is going back here, but it's gonna be button right here. So that's why y'all see the fans on the side of the car, on the side of the truck. So I'm building my amp rack to right here, but the amp rack will be by this high to hold all my amps in all the way across. So y'all can see the vision now. These will be on my big amps, and it's gonna blow back to my small amps. It's gonna have a little excess hole on the back of it and blow it through this right here. That's how the high echo got. On the bottom of the box, it could be a port made on the bottom of the box and blow all that high air out. It's all about vision, y'all. It's all about the vision. It's all about the vision. So that being said, y'all, stand by for the outro. What's up, YouTube? I'm back, y'all. Let's go ahead and close this video out, y'all. Today, I unboxed some radiator fans I picked up with Amazon. And I forgot the price was. But anyway, y'all, it's all about the vision, man. Never let somebody tell you do it their way. Always figure out things how you want your own route to go things. It's your money and your way of thinking and your way of doing things. Never let somebody tell you it's on you. Oh, I'm gonna do it my way. You know, I'm the consumer. It's my way. Or you can't do it. You can't do it. I find somebody else could accomplish my goal. But not right now. It's all about having the right people in your corner too, y'all. So that being said, y'all, like, comment, subscribe, y'all. Don't let somebody tell you they way, y'all. Remember that, for real, for real. A lot of people trying to tell you they way. No, it's your way. You know, find the right person that you trust to have that, to fit your, to meet your goal, and it's on from there, y'all. It's on from there. You know what I mean? Just as long as you do it what you can afford to do, and the time you can do it in, ain't no rush. This truck I'm building right here is no rush. So I'm taking my time, doing a lot of research. That I'm doing different things on my truck this time around, but once I get the concept I'm trying to do, me and Black will make it happen, y'all. So stay tuned, y'all. For the next video is about my DSP, y'all. So that will be here tomorrow, y'all. So this video will be for Saturday, and the DSP video will be for Sunday, y'all. So, all right, y'all. We'll talk to y'all later, y'all. And thank y'all again, man. 11K, y'all. Been a great ride, y'all.
Thanks everyone for watching my video. Remember that it is never too loud. Peace and blessings to you all, and I will see you in the next one.